Good evening, folks, and happy Labor Day weekend. Little report from Cultural Center Trains. We've been doing a little work on the trains, adding a little scenery, and we finally started work on the peninsula. And I don't know if for sure or not if that's the layout I'm gonna go with or not, but I might. We're thinking about it. Main thing we've done is we have our turnouts operable here, as you can see. We're able to switch from the inside track to the outside track and back again. Still haven't hooked it up to DCC, but we're working on it. I cleaned the track yesterday, and I'm a believer in no aux. And I may have got a little bit much on that one section over there where it's going up that hill. I've got a little wheel slippage going on, but anyway, we'll get it wiped off. It's running well. Good college football this weekend, folks. Pretty decent games, all in all. Real happy with Sooners' performance. Look good. Offensive line needs some work, but it's work in progress. Just like this layout. We like this. This is actually going to be, eventually it's this port right here is going to run up and run around, or run over the top, a different level. But this port in here, the middle is going to be a rock quarry, and this is hollow. I'm going to hollow this out, and you can see I'm going to have some different feeder lines and things in there, and then a loop, and it'll run back over here and tie back in right there to that track. But anyway, it's coming along. We like it. I think it looks pretty good. I need to add a bunch of trees, and I'm still gonna do more static grass, and it's gonna be kind of fallish is what it's gonna be. Eventually, I think this, and I'm not gonna do the turntable there. I think that's gonna be a refinery. We're gonna celebrate big oil, and we're going to put a refinery in there, chem lab, research center, things like that in there, hopefully. I don't know. I don't have the skills to build those models, but hopefully I can find somebody that does, or I can find some already built. But I just don't have the skills. I shake too bad, and I end up with super glue everywhere. But anyway, that's what we got going on Labor Day weekend, folks. Have a great Labor Day. Enjoy it. God bless America. We love it. God bless you. We still like this shot. Have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.